Introducing the Acer Swift Go 16 Pro Black Edition, a sleek addition to Acer's laptop lineup slated for release in early Q2 2024. Designed for professionals seeking style, performance, and durability, this laptop boasts a matte black aluminum unibody and a stunning 16-inch OLED display. Powered by 13th generation Intel Core processors, it comes in two configurations to meet various needs. The first option pairs an Intel Core i5-13420H processor with 16GB of LPDDR5 memory, while the second, more robust variant features an Intel Core i7-13620H processor with 32GB of LPDDR5 memory. Both configurations offer 1TB of PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage, expandable to 2TB, ensuring ample space and speed for demanding tasks. The highlight of the Swift Go 16 Pro is its impressive display, featuring a 16-inch OLED screen with a 3.2K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and 500 nits peak brightness, delivering sharp, colorful visuals ideal for professional and creative work alike. Connectivity options include HDMI 2.1, a microSD card reader, and two Thunderbolt 4-enabled USB Type-C ports for fast charging. Additionally, it boasts a 1,440p webcam with temporal noise reduction and Acer purified voice technology with AI noise reduction, ensuring clear audio during video conferences. The Acer Swift Go 16 Pro Black Edition with Intel Core i5-13420H will launch in early Q2 2024, priced at €1,099, while the i7-13620H variant, SFG 1671782M, will also be available simultaneously for €1,299. With its premium design, powerful performance, and advanced features, the Swift Go 16 Pro is poised to meet the needs of discerning professionals in 2024 and beyond.